A tea bag instead of a bookmark, a green lawn on a shelf, embroidery on a notebook cover, and some unusual pens? Today, we will tell you how to make your school supplies bright and shiny. And for starters, let's decorate a boring notebook cover. We will need a teddy bear pattern. Apply some glue on it and attach it to the inside of the cover. Stay close to the pattern and sew it with thick white thread. Very soon, a little bear will appear on the blue cover. Try different patterns of drawings and decorate the cover with a thread tattoo in a geometric style. Very beautiful! For the next life hack, you will need small pictures and ordinary Scotch tape. Cut out miniature drawings. Place them on the tape. What could be better than DIY decorative tape? Choose what pictures will decorate your notebook or secret diary. Here's an idea for a craft made of a piece of a green foam rubber sheet. Draw long blades of grass on the foam rubber sheet. Cut them out. Fasten a clip to the base using hot glue. Attach the paper clips to the pages of the books. Now, some fresh green grass is blooming on the bookshelf. This lawn looks bright and quite spring-like. For this life hack, you will need a tape whiteout and self-drying modeling clay. Knead a slice of orange clay and wrap the body of the whiteout in it. Use the sharp tip of a skewer to make the clay porous. Flatten a ball of blue clay on both sides of the body. Press stripes along the edge. The result is a whiteout in the form of a macaroon. A yummy whiteout carries out its purpose flawlessly and attracts attention with its unusual appearance. Next, we'll share with you an interesting idea of a marker decoration. Mix white and green paints in a container. Cover the marker with paint using a foam brush. Cut out curved figures from a green foam rubber sheet. Fasten them to the cap using hot glue. Draw some cactus needles on the marker. Apply eyes and draw cheeks and a mouth. Decorate the cactus with a flower. The marker turned out very cute and not prickly at all. You will be the only one to have a marker like this. For this life hack, you need pieces of felt. Cut out squares from pink felt and pieces in the form of tea bags from brown felt. Sew the felt with white thread. Make small, neat stitches. Cut a piece of thin rope. Glue pieces of felt together, lying a string between them. Decorate with a heart with the word tea written on it and a green tea leaf. The result is an original bookmark in the form of a tea bag. A funny accessory that will make your studies a little more pleasant. Next, you need a small plank. Cover it with blue paint. Draw a school of goldfish. The more fish you draw, the more your wishes will come true. Prepare a roll of paper and a ribbon. Pass the ribbon through the sleeve and tie the ends like this. Cut off the excess. Fasten the piece on the plank. Secure it using hot glue. Glue the magnet to the upper ribbon. Unwind the paper and fasten it to the plate with clips. A tablet for notes and important memos is ready. Keep the plank nearby. It's very convenient. And regular push pins can be decorated with soft pom-poms. Squeeze a drop of glue on a plastic pin and stick on a pom-pom. fluffy buttons look bright and cute. Here's a life hack on the decoration of a boring plastic paper bin. Mix warm shades of colors. Paint the bin in a dull orange color. Now it looks like a waffle cup. Go over the bin on a piece of cardboard. Carefully cut it out. You need 2 foam balls. Cut off the excess. Glue the balls onto the cardboard circle. Cover them with hot glue in a drip pattern. Paint the foam pink and blue. Glue the eyes. Decorate the top with a ball. Fasten pom-poms around the base. From now on, a funny ice cream bin will keep an eye on your desk's organization. For the next life hack, you will need an eraser and a paper knife. Draw a bottle on the eraser. Remove the upper layer with a knife without affecting the outline of the drawing. Cut out a groove in the middle. For greater convenience, attach a piece of cork to the back of the eraser. Use a hot glue gun. Cover the stamp with paint and make an imprint. And from a small eraser, you can make a heart stamp. The drawing on the stamp depends only on your imagination. Decorate notebook pages with clear and beautiful stamps. This time, you will need disposable plastic syringes. Take out the piston from the cylinder. Get rid of the nozzle using pliers. Cut the shaft of a ballpoint pen accordingly. Insert the filler into the cylinder of the syringe. Secure it with hot glue. Pour some glitter stars in the syringe. Fill it with water. Apply hot glue on the plunger and insert it into the cylinder. Instead of a cap, use a plug. Make several of these pens using glitter of different colors as decoration. To write with this pen is a pleasure! Cut out rectangles of the size you need from a foam rubber sheet. Hot glue the edge. Lay a pencil between the sheets. Apply another strip of hot glue. Glue the sheets together. Make sure the pencils are at equal distances from each other as you glue. Make cuts in the form of small squares. It's very convenient to use a notebook like this. Got some inspiration and want to draw? Pencils are always on hand. For another decor idea, you need a rectangular flower pot. You will also use a foam rubber sheet of pinkish shades. Cut sheets into thin strips. Apply hot glue and fasten the strips of the foam rubber sheet to the walls of the pot. Alternate colors, sticking brighter strips over the pale ones. Glue all sides of the pot. Cut off the excess. Attach a label that says popcorn. Decorate with soft pom-poms. A pencil stand in the form of a popcorn container is convenient and very original. To implement the next idea, you need a plastic lunchbox. Lay some tissue cosmetic wipes on the bottom. Press down with your finger, straightening the folds. Protect the walls with foil. Paint the box blue. Cover a small plastic container and boxes with foil. Attach them to the bottom of the container using hot glue. Fasten magnets to the opposite wall. Decorate the lunchbox with a felt heart and glue the handle made out of foil. You've got an organizer for school supplies in the form of a fridge. Arrange your school supplies on the shelves and attach pins to the magnets. Did you like our ideas for school supplies? Write in the comments which of these life hacks you will definitely use. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Troom Troom Select. Click on the bell so you don't miss our new ideas.